Hi, I am Otanu. In this tutorial video, you learn the linear equations in two variable of class 9 mathematics. Other class 9 mathematics tutorial video you can get from the playlist. If you complete the all videos step by step, you can start your exercise yourself. But for your advanced level test and more doubt clearance, you have to consult with your teacher, and also you can join my online class also with affordable fees. So please, if this video is helpful to you, to subscribe this channel and inform to your friends, and press the bell icon, like button also, so that you get the all update. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay, earlier chapter we have learned the all component of the algebraic expression. So first we take one example of the algebraic expression: 3 by 2 minus x square plus 2y plus 5. So this is a example of the algebraic expression. This algebraic expression comprise of the three terms. Minus 3 by 2 x square is one term, 2y is the one term, and 5 is the one term. And when the two algebraic expression, for example, are equal, balanced by the equal, then it is called the equation. It is called the equation. For example, this same algebraic expression, if I write here 2x square plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, then we can say it is a algebraic equation. Okay, so more example, that is we can write as 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2x. This is also a equation, algebraic equation. Okay, because we can further simplify it. Okay, now we learn the linear equation. What is the linear equation? So linear equation are those equation, algebraic equation, for example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is the linear equation. Why? Because the degree, the maximum power of the variable is actually the 1. Here the power is what? 1. Maximum power of variable is 1. So then we can say it is the linear equation. And why it is the two variables? This chapter is about the two variables. So here actually in this example it is the one variable. So what is the variable? X actually variable. And 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the example of the linear equation with one variable. Linear equation in two variables. One variable. Clear? What is the example of the linear equation with the two variable? If I consider again, that is 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the example of the linear equation of the two variable. Okay, why? Because both these variable x and y, these are the variable with power 1, and two variables are there, two variables, so that is x and y, and since the power of both the variables is actually 1, that is the reason it is the linear. Okay, linear. So together these two consideration, we can say that 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is a linear equation with two variable. Clear? Okay. So what is the general form of the linear equation of two variable? General form we can write as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. If a or b either becomes 0, then uh, it will be the one variable linear equation. Okay, not the two variable linear equation. Now we learn the how to find out the solution of the linear equation in two variables. Let's take one example, that is uh, x plus 2y is equal to 3. How we get the different solution of the x and y? So for that, what you have to do, you have to simplify this. Y is equal to what? 3 minus x by 2. Clear? If we transfer this 3 as x, this side will be minus, so 3 minus x, and these 2 will be, here is the multiply, and when you transfer the equal sign the right side, then it will be division, so 2 will be in the denominator side. Okay, done. So now if we take x is equal to 0, then y will be 3 by 2. If we take x is equal to 1, then it will be 1. If you take x is equal to 2, it will be 2. If it is 3, it will be 0, and so on. Means for any real value of the x, there we get another y value, corresponding y value. Means a linear equation in the two variables has the infinite many solution. Clear? Remember this statement. Okay. Next we learn the graphical representation of the linear equation in two variables. Let's take one example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So how we can plot this on the graph paper? Just a minute. So this is the x-axis, this is the origin, and this is the y-axis. Yeah. Then we take the different coordinate point, that is first we simplify this. So y will be what? Y is equal to 12 minus 2x divided by 3. Now if we put the value x is equal to 0 here, I put the value 0, then what value will get? The y value will be what? 12 minus 0 by 3, so this will be 4. And if it is x is equal to 1, for 1 it will be what? Just some fraction value, because 12 minus 2 into 1 2, 10 by 3, and 2 4 will be fraction. 3, we put 3 here, then 6 will be 2. Okay, and 4 is fraction value, 5 is also fraction value, 6 actually 0 by 3. If we multiply 6 so 12 minus 12 0 divided by 3 0, so we get the value 0. Yeah. So it is confirmed that this is 0. The origin is what? Coordinate is 0 by 0. Okay. 0 by 4. So 0 by 4 means is 0 and y is 4. 1 2 3 4. This coordinate is 0 4. Okay, and 3 2. 1 2 3 and 2. Okay, and we have to extend it. Actually this graph sheet is actually not proper because this is not exactly the square. This, that is the reason getting some deform graph. Okay, to shift this, here we get 3 2 and here 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 3 2 6 comma 0. Okay, now if we connect, we get the line, we get this line. A. Okay, if we connect this 3 dot, we get this line AB. So this AB is what is the equation of the straight line. So it is the straight line. So we can say that this given linear equation represent a straight line. Clear? Represent a straight line, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, represent by this yellow line, and it is a straight line. So all linear equation with the two variables represent the straight line. This way we can find out the graphical representation of any linear equation in two variables. Clear? Although it is not in your syllabus, for your advanced knowledge only, you should remember this is the intercept form. INTRCEPT, intercept form, or intercept form of straight line. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. What that mean? Actually this given equation we can convert into the this form. Okay, easily we can convert this form. How we can do that? Look at this. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, right? So we can write as 2x by 12 plus 3y by 12 is equal to 1. So x by 6 and y by 4 is equal to 1. So this 6 is the x intercept. This is the x intercept. X, and this is the y intercept. This is the y intercept. Means this given linear equation two variables intersect the x-axis at 6 0 and the intersect y-axis as 0 4. Clear? 0 4. So by this shortcut method you can easily find out that your answer is correct or not. but it is not in your syllabus actually. Only for your knowledge I share with you. Clear? Only for knowledge I share with you. So it is the intercept from the straight line. Clear? Let's solve one practical application based problem on the linear equation with two variables. So here is the question: if the number of hours for which the labor works are x and y. So now here it is clearly mentioned that the x, we have to consider the number of hours, means working hours of the labor. So number of hours, working hours along the x-axis, and along the y-axis we consider the wages, that is rupees. Clear? So now this hours and the working hours and the wage relations given, that is y is equal to 2x minus 1. So just write here y is equal to 2x minus 1. Clear? It is given. And another parameter given, that first we have to draw the graphs of this working hours and wage equation. From the graph we have to find out the wage of the labor if the working hours is 6 hours. Okay, so how you can do that? First we have to find out the coordinate, at least two coordinate from the given equation. So we have to choose the value x and y. Okay, x and y intersection, we know that when the x is equal to 0, and another point when the y is equal to 0. Now if x is equal to 0, then y will be what? Minus 1. If y is equal to 0, then x will be what? Half. Another point, if we take the 1, then y is equal to 1. So 3 point is enough. So now plot the points on the graph. 0 1, so this is the origin, that is 0 0, and we get 0 1, that is 0 here, and minus 1, 0 minus 1, it is here, 0 minus 1, and half 0, half is just middle of this one. So actually this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, this is 6, like that. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, this continue. So here is the half, so this is the half and half 0, this point, and another point we need the this one, that is 1 1. Okay, with these 3 point we can draw a straight line. Okay, so we get the line by connecting A, B and C. Okay, so this is the graph of the wage, working hours and the wage. Okay, then we have to find out that for the 6 hour what will be the wage of the labor. So we can find from the graph. Here it is the 6, so hour is 6, and along the y-axis we get what? We get 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, that is 11. Okay, we get this point, that is D, and it is 6 11, this coordinate. So from the equation also, if we put the value, put x is equal to 6, then y is equal to 2 into 6 minus 1, that is 12 minus 1, that is 11. So the numerical calculation and the graph both given the same value. So this is 11 is rupees. Okay, this is the unit is actually rupees. Okay, so with this concept you can solve this kind of the problem. So this is the end of this tutorial video. So please subscribe this channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.